Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Chroma key on Camcorder green screen in iPhone or Android. So here's a clip with green screen and I'm going to using Chroma key. And how to use Chroma key, you can click the clip and select cutout the bottom, and you can click Chroma key. So you can choose the green screen color and you can adjust for intensities like and shadow and click OK. And I think this clip I'm going to make this overlay and just click overlay and adjust for position like this. And oh, sorry, I think this green screen clip for make an overlay. Just click like this and you can adjust for size and position like this. So it's not neat, I think. Okay, just simple. That's how to use Chroma key on CapCut for green screen. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe.